Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. How are you guys doing? So I am reacting to one of my favorite artists to come out of Malawi, Rashley. The name of the song is Memories. It's a brand new song, 2 weeks old. So yeah, let's get to it without wasting any time. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on the channel. Okay, so
Chagandiye dijikuta siyane kumantima suchoka
hey.
Antu anje osaiwala saiwendine angozikoka. So hard for me to believe only you and I.
Okay, wow, show off much. Let's hear that again. Anyway, let me know in the comment section what he say, because it's hard for me to concentrate on the language and the music because it's just so beautiful. Obviously, Rashley, please go check out that video, go check out his YouTube channel as well, subscribe to his thing, you know what I mean? One of the, yeah, it should be big in Malawi as well. So many young artists out there. How do you even keep up?
Antu anje osaiwala saiwendine angozikoka. So hard for me to believe only you and I. So hard for me to hear you're happy without me. Utajoga ngati siwawa kumandishira.
Yo, 2026 is going to be 2026 is going to be a movie out there in Malawi. So far I've had 4 songs released in 2026 that are like killing it. Bangers. Yeah, she's gone. She left him with memories in the... Yeah. I miss you daily. Yo, another beautiful song, Rashley. If you guys don't know, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this. This is a brand new song, Memories from Rashley. Go check it out on his YouTube page. Subscribe, leave a comment. I don't know. So let me see. Am I subscribed? Because I keep telling people go subscribe, and maybe you guys believe when you believe. Wait, you believe when you see. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. I'm subscribed. Okay, so you believe as you see. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys on the other side. And yeah, like I said, go check out Rashley's YouTube page, man. I've reacted to many of his songs. Many, by many I mean like maybe 4, 3 or something like that. But you know, I'm a big fan. Thank you so much for watching this for the first time. Do not leave without hitting the subscribe button, that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. I'll see you guys on the other side.